In this video, you'll learn how to use Mailchimp to effectively collect email addresses. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to set up your audience and manage your contacts efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to sign in, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. If prompted, enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. After signing in, locate the Audience tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This section is crucial for managing your contacts. Click on Audience to proceed. If you have multiple audiences, ensure you select the correct one from the drop-down menu that appears. Next, find the Contacts option within the Audience section. Click on it to view all the email addresses currently in your audience. This is where you can manage and organize your contacts effectively. It is essential to verify that the email addresses you want to collect are displayed here. Once you are in the Contacts view, look for the option labeled Export Audience. This option is usually found in the upper right corner of the contacts list. Clicking it will prompt a message confirming that you are about to export your contacts. This step is important to ensure you have a backup of your data. After confirming the export, a message will appear stating the number of contacts you are about to export. For example, it may say, you're about to export all 41 contacts from the audience Agri Shangri-La. This confirmation is vital to ensure you are exporting the correct audience. Now, click on the Export CSV button to initiate the export process. This action will generate a CSV file containing all the email addresses from your selected audience. Depending on your internet connection and file size, this process may take a moment. Ensure you have sufficient storage space on your device to accommodate the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, you can access the CSV file from your device's download location. This file will allow you to manage and utilize your collected email addresses as needed. Remember to regularly check your audience and update your contacts to maintain an effective email marketing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.